So today guys, I'm just going to be doing some building, so you guys can leave me some comments, like, to what I should do better, and like, just to show you what my building is at right now. Make the switch as you can see like 1.5 weeks ago. This is like my progression, and keep on posting it. I feel like I'm at just not as cool like how it was what I'm at. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Humans are going to die. Yeah, I'm definitely getting ready. Oh, everything. Oh, fuck. I can't really hide. The server. Yeah, I need comments in the about how to, once I've done that double like that, what I should do out of that. Like, should I go into that? I don't know what I'm supposed to do out of that. People are asking me why I'm doing that. It's to improve my accuracy when I'm doing. Like, is that how I should be doing my fast 90 degrees? Or like what? Because some people do it like this. Like that. And then I know like Mongrel. That. So you go like that. I think decent edit stuff. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, I messed up. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.